Right. QA section. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, train Quants kilogram. Okay. Not a lot of difficult problems, more or less on the easier side itself. Let's see. Okay, so 5, 6, 7x, right? So 7 2s are 14, 7 4s are 28, 240. Okay, 240, 240, 416, it was 8, 9, right? $960 divided by 2 is 2 4s are 8, 480, 2x, 480 again in terms of rupees, we have 24, 12, 14, 1440. This is quite easy. We have to just find out what number of coins is, ensure 50, 1 and 2 rupees and move ahead. Real roots, how many k can take? Again, b square minus 4ac, that is 121 minus a 16 mod k, right, is greater than equal to 0. So 16 tens are 160, 16 32, 160 minus 30 is 130, right, to 128. So 7s are, right, now anything between 0 and 7, but since it's mod, it'll be minus 7 to 7. These are 14 plus 0, 15 values. Again, a sitter kind of question. Sum of first 14 terms of a GP is equal to first 16 terms of the GP. Okay, so basically what will be left is only AR 14. Okay, that is the 15th term will be equal to the negative of the 16th term. That's why the sum is equal, right? Like 14, whatever is the sum, let's say plus a minus a. So that is why it will be equal to x itself. So we just make that assumption, not assumption, I mean the right thing, and this will be 15, sorry. Yeah. So r is equal to minus 1. GP. So if r is 1, that simply means if this is x minus x, x minus x. Okay. So 31st term is 103. That means, so this GP is this only as written. These are odd, right? So odd is positive, even is negative, and this is odd. That's why 103, and this is also odd. So that's why it will be minus 103 itself. It cannot be even. Sorry, it will be 103 because both odds are positive. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two sides are common. 10, right? So 10 is if, so that will be sum of two sides is 10. That means 5, 5, and rest whatever between 1 to 9. So I get 9 values. And other ways to get 10 is 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6. And 5, 5 is already considered, right? In this, I just need to check the cases where it is being valid. Okay, so 119 will again cause the issue of two sides greater than third, and the subtraction less. So 119 won't work, 228 no, but 464 and 644 can work, because this is, let's say, 3, okay, which is fine. If I make it 7, 0, no. So in this case also it will not work. We just need to check the triangle sides equilibrium. So these 4 are definite, and one extra case will come from here. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 cases would come. In the box, there are tickets numbered from 7,000 to 9,000. Okay, digits which are repeated. So very simply, 7,000 to 7,999, and then there is 8,000 to 8,999. Whatever be the case over here will be again repeated itself. Okay, so here there are 1,000 numbers, right? Total. Here also there are 1,000 numbers. So in total, let's find out the digits which is not repeated. So 7 is constant. So apart from 7, we'll have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. So 9 possibilities. Into the rest will be 8. Into rest will be 7. 9 is just 72, right? Into 7, 7 to the 14, and 49 and 50, 504. Same for here, 504. Right, so that is 496 and 496, which is 6612. That is only one option, that is 992. Mark that and move ahead. Again, pretty easy. LMN and GP, AP. Okay, so GP means M square is equal to LN, and rest are in AP. So 32M is equal to 5L plus 12 of N, right? That is what it means. So we can either do M by N or M by L. Since it's L is first, so I'll just take L. So divided by L, 32 M by L is equal to 5 plus 12 times N by L. Okay. But N is equal to what? M square by L. So we can just change this. Since L was already down, it will be M by L the whole square, right? So this gets converted into a quadratic. That will be 12x square minus 32x plus 5, right? This is what it becomes. How can we divide this? It would be 60, right? And 32x, okay? So this can be divided in terms of well, 2x should be in terms of 5. So if I take out 32, okay, we just make it half, 6x into 2x minus 5 minus 1, 2x minus 5. Right, so I get 6 2s are 12x square minus 30x minus 2x plus 5. So the sole reason I did it was 12 into 5 60. That means I need to make it somehow, okay, 32 is 60 that ways. So that's why we get 6x minus 1 into 2x minus 5. 1 by 6 or 5 by 2. Common ratio is required. Now L is less than M less than N. That's why it cannot be less than 1. It has to be greater. So that is why, because of that condition, we'll have to go with 5/2. Otherwise, we would have to go with D. But since that is given, we won't. So y0, 6, right? This is 6. This is 8. So very simply, half base into height, 4s are 24s. That's it, pretty simple. Rookie fruit vendor marked up his cost price by 200 before giving discount. Later, he realized he calculated his profit of 30% by considering selling price instead of cost price. Acha, so basically profit is equal to 0.3 of S and S is our selling price, right? So what is cost price? Cost price should be selling price minus profit, which is 0.7 times S, right? And 200% means into 3. So marked up price is basically 2.1 S and discount is required, that is 2.1 S markup minus selling price divided by markup price itself into 100, right? S 2.1, 111 by 21 into 100. So 21 is 10.5. Little thing above 50, it's 52.4. So guys, do such approximations in your CAT. No, like you don't need to sit and calculate what is 11 by 21. When you can see it's a little more than 50, there's only one option, mark that, move ahead. That'll gain you some amount of speed. Window 1.6 meters above ground is 20.3 meters away from a tower. 20 root 3 or 20 root 3. This is 1.6, right? Angle of elevation from the top of the window to the top of the tower. So let's say this is the tower, this is the window, right? It's 30 degrees. The height of the tower. I know this, okay? Right? So if I know this, all I need to find is this particular thing. Now what is tan of 30? It is 1 by root 3, which is equal to this x, right? So this upon base, right? 20 root 3, root 3, root 3. So x is equal to 20. If this is equal to 20 plus 1.6 will be 21.6. 48 kilometer per hour, 10 minutes late. So this is t, okay? It is t plus 10 when it is at 48. And 60 pe it is t minus 10. Find the distance. Okay. So So previous speed was 4. The current speed is 5. Right? So previous time and speed when distance is constant. So it becomes vice versa. So time is 5. This is 4. Right? Okay. So once this is considered, then I just need to check the difference between the original times, right? So 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. By 5 plus 4 is 9. Of the total time is causing a difference of 10 minutes, okay, between the originals. So x is equal to 90 minutes. Now it is 100 minutes in terms of 48, okay. So 100 minute by 60 is hour, right? So distance upon time is equal to 48, or it is 4800 divided by 60. Oh, sorry. I think made a minor error. Yeah, this is 20. I just noticed that the difference is not just between this, but here also. So 20, so x is equal to 180, right? So if x is equal to 180, so that would become approximately 190. Okay. Forty-eight into 190 divided by 60. Oh no. What? The answer is not in decimal. So the earlier approximation of 10 itself was correct. We need to only check between the original times. I'm getting my concept a little shaky here. Sorry about that. So distance was this 100 by 60, right, is equal to 48. So that is 480 by 668 is a 48. Yeah, it makes sense. So that'll be 80. Please remember, we need to check from the reference of the original time in such questions. Even I get confused at times, so it's okay if something like this happens. Two parallel chords, same side of the diameter, having lengths of 6 and this will be 9, right? This is 3. This is r minus 3, then automatically. And this is r and this is r. I need the radius. Okay, not much. So this is r. So r square is equal to 9 9s are 81 plus r square plus 9 minus 6r, right? R and R cancel. Right. No, this is not r minus 3. My bad. I'm being a little clumsy. It's not r minus 3. I assumed it by mistake. We have the distance between the chords given to us, right? If the distance between these chords is 3, right? So this whole thing is R. We have 3 here, we'll have X here. Right, so R square is equal to X square plus 81 and R square is equal to X plus 3, the whole square plus 36. So X plus 3 is X square plus 3 3 is a 9, right? Plus 6X plus 36. So when we equate them, X and X will get cut. So 81 minus 45 into 6X. 41 minus 5 is equal to 36, right? So X is equal to 6, okay? This is 36. 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So root of 117, right? Guys, please don't make that R minus 3 error that I did. Okay, that can cost you the sum. So, parallelogram. Okay. Perpendicular. These sort of take a little bit of time. Just move ahead. We'll come to this later. Number of white balls is thrice red balls. Acha, percentage. Okay. Red ball 10, white ball 40, right? This is red, this is white. 60 is broken, 6. And 30 is 10 is 4, so 12. Not broken. So 18, right? 50 is the total minus 10 minus 8, so 32 by 50. 2 16s are, 2 25s are into 100. Percentage of balls which are not broken. Let me just check if I'm getting any approximate value from here or no. That is 32 divided by 50. It's around 64%. There is that and that, so I just need to make another approximation and just check it out. So red ball is X. Okay, this is 3X. Okay. I see why I got that thing a little off. So it's 10 and 30, right? So 4 is broken and 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 27 by 40 is what I need. 27 divided by 40. 0.675. Okay. What's 15 minutes left. I need to use my hands very fast. Okay, wait. This is red, right? This is white. 6 are broken. 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that is 26 by 40. I'll just quickly take out the calculator and do 26 divided by 40. Okay. So I'm getting 0.65. Go ahead. Intersection Maximum number of parts and intersection question I think is done only in one way. That is 15 into 16 by 2 plus 1 and another n into n minus 1 by 2. That is 15 into 14 divided by 2. So let's just quickly do it. Okay. So 15 into 8 is 121 is the first thing. Okay. And 15 into 7 should be 105. So 121, 105. Simply we should know the formula and we can move ahead. X plus 4, x plus 2, we are 20, 30, and what is 20 equals? Okay. So this is 24 is 20 and 22. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. Okay. So 24 is 20 plus 22. This is 22 and 24 only. Okay. So this can be written as 2 times 22 plus 20, right? Is 26. What is 24? 24 is 20 plus 22 plus 2 times of 22 plus 20, which is 26, right? So 28 is equal to what? 3 times 22 plus 2 times 20. And 30 is equal to 26 plus 28, which is 3 plus 2, 5 times 22. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 182 into 5, 5 is a 4, 5 to the 10, 5 is a 40, 41. So 910, okay, plus 3 times 20. So this is 234 plus 94, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? 324, 4, 3, 7, 8, 9 divided by 3, 3 tens are, right? 24, 108. Got it. In which one had to just check all the evens. And multiply three numbers to recognize that instead of 39, you multiply 93. Hence the product increase by 1080. Okay. So 93xy minus 39xy is equal to 1080. 53, 54 is equal to 1080. 54 twos are. So xy is equal to 20. The minimum possible value of the sum of the squares of the other two number. Since nothing is mentioned, so I can just take root 20 into root 20, which is 20, right? So sum of squares will be 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. Making it common gives us minima. And if you can make it square root, the square will automatically be common. Double law questions. Okay. How many numbers with 3 or more digits can be formed with the digits so that in every such number, each digit is used at most once and the digits appear in ascending order? 3 or more digits, no? So 2 power 8 is the maximum that can be formed, right? That is 256. So say I just need to subtract from here 0, 1, and 2, right? Which is equal to 8 factorial, 6, 2 factorial, 56 by half. It is 28, 28, and 8 and 1, 37. Just 219. Right? That's why you can see all the options are in that, because one had to understand that it is 2 power 8 will be the maximum that can be used. Average of first 5 is 80, right? So 400. So next is 80 second to x. So 5 fours are 20, 5 it's a 40, 420. So if the first guy is x, this last guy is x plus 20. X plus 20 is equal to 3 by 4. 4x is equal to 3x plus 60. So x is equal to 60. That means he is 80. Sixth guy is 80. From interest rate of x, loan was repaid in 2 equal installments. The first after 1 year, the second after another year. The first installment was interest of the first year plus part of the principal amount, while the second was the rest of the principal plus amount due. Okay, so this is a question of equal installments, right? Okay. $1.2 into 1.2 into right. This is accumulating the second year interest. So whatever my answer is will be something lesser than this is what I just wanted to check. Okay. In first year it is 220,000 into 1.2. Right. This is the total sum that I need to pay. 220,000. 44,000 is interest. 264,000 and 44,000. Right. Is interest over here. While this is the principal. So from this, x has been subtracted. Into 1.2 is equal to x. So 264,000 divided by 2.2x. Let me just check that once. Principal plus interest thereof. Okay, the interest that came was same. Understood. Okay, understood. While doing this calculation, I did a certain mistake, right? That is 264,000. Even that is supposed to be multiplied by 1.2, right? Divided by 2.2. 144. Like when we found the total sum at the end of 1 year is this, our installment is this. So next thing will be 264,000 minus this installment into 1.2. Okay, should be equal to the installment. So 1.2 is multiplied here also. So for that, we get the answer as when we did it in the calculator as this. Got it. Something felt a little odd. 4 minutes. This looks a little complicated. I'll just check this first. This seems fine. 3 workers, 2 are working, 1 is destroying. So plus, plus, minus. Okay. They can complete the work in 10 hours. If one worker can complete in 5 hours, 10 hours, what rate he's destroying? So 5, 10, let's just take 100. Okay. One guy is doing it 5 hours alone. So when all three are working, the net unit is 10, 5 is 20, 10 is 10, but the rest is 10. So minus 20. So it's 20% destruction. Okay, this was a sitter. Good, we did it first. Now we can spend some time here. PQ integers of opposite signs and the value of Q is greater than 4. So very simply, since both are cubes, so P plus Q, 3 by Q is either 3 by 1 or P plus 3 by Q is minus 3 by 1. And square is square. So P minus 2 by Q minus 4 is equal to 5 by 1 because it doesn't matter. So P minus 2 is equal to 5Q minus 20. And over here, P plus 3 is equal to 3Q. And P plus 18 is equal to 5Q. Subtract. So 15 is equal to 2Q. And Q is equal to 15 by 2. Okay, that's what we get for now. Q is definitely by 225. So if this is the case, okay, let's just check it out once. 3Q, right? So 45 by 2 minus 3, 3 to the 6, that is 41. So 41 into 41 is how much? Let's just check it. 41 into 41, 1681. Okay. 1681 is not something that I have here. That means I went wrong somewhere. Calculations most probably. 5Q minus 20 is P minus 2. 5Q is P plus 18. Right, and over here it is 3Q is P plus 3. 2Q is 18. 18 by 2, right? 45 by 2. Oh, it's 39. Let's just quickly run. It's not 41, it's 39. Why am I making such calculation errors? 1521 and 225. There's only one option like that. So we don't need to check the case for minus 3. Right? And Q is greater than 4. So I just mark this. Okay, nearly time is up. I already submit the paper. Okay, out of 22, 20 attempts, one incorrect. Okay, thank you.